how you doing? This is Fee. How's your day going so far? I have two completed diamond paintings to show you. Both are DIYMoon Shop and both are squares. Both have one lot of AB drills. So let's get to it. This first one is I Miss You So Much by Michelle XIA. I cannot pronounce it. I am sorry. So this is a 60 by 75 square, 38 colours, and has come up stunning. There is the one lot of AB drills, which you have down here, and see if I can jostle the line up. There we go. Very, very smart, sparkly. No issues with drill quality or running out. There's my little sheet. And the drills. I left them in their baggies. I took the easy way out with these guys because they came in baggies. Much easier. No issue with the drills. I thought it was 310. So I was given 310. So I don't see 310 very often in DIYMoon Shop diamond paintings. But 310, instead of using 310, what was used is the AB 310. So I could have used 310, but they give you the 310. But on the actual legend, there is no 310. It is just the AB 310. So if you actually don't want to use the ABs, they actually gave you the ability to not put it in there for that one. Drill quality. I think I had some issues with some knobbly bits on one lot. But overall, I was quite happy with the drill quality. Didn't worry about thinking I was going to run out with any. But yeah, I had plenty of drills left over. So that one there, that is the first one. I miss you so much. I'll put a picture I took a picture. I'll pop that in there for you to look at. There is a link down below if you are interested in these. If you click on the links, when you check out and you put in the coupon code, you put Diamond in the Rough in there, or Fee Diamond in the Rough, it'll register that you actually saw it through this channel. But there we go. So DIYMoon, I miss you so much. Right, now let's pop these ones away. These away, and nice easy way to finish up a diamond painting, isn't it? Then on to the next one, and the next one I will need to turn around for you. Hopefully Misty doesn't come inside while that one is on the floor. Okay, the next one is a Jeremiah Morelli. How stunning is that? So this is a 60 by 90. I love this. Just love it. Alien life. Alien planet, some other planet. Anyway, Jeremiah Morelli, 60 by 90. 35 colours, one lot of AB drills. The AB drills were in the moon. Let's see if I can pick it up. And you can just see those AB drills on the moon there. Extra bit of sparkle. Drill quality, I will say 823. The colour 823, I had we'll grab it out, shall we? We'll grab it out. I'm not copying the paper. Okay. Anyway, the 823 I had an issue with for clumping. didn't even look like I was going to run out, but I did have a lot where they were drills were stuck together. That's the only one I had issues with. There was plenty. The one AB drill colours that we had was the AB5200, and still have a reasonable amount of those left over. And yes, they are square drills. But yeah, it did not look like I was going to run out at all. As you all know, a lot of drills when you do the big ones. I had no concern. I have one mishap where I actually mixed my colours around, but thankfully they were two totally different colours. But there we go. Leftover drills, plenty of. With the only ones that I won't keep out of these is the actual 823. Not because I just, although they're still usable ones, I just wasn't going to muck around with it. So there we go. What do you think? Link down below to DIYMoon Shop's website. But this one here, Moonlight Bay. I don't think I said that already, but that's Moonlight Bay. And pop the picture in here I took with my phone. Love it. Love it. Whoop, and I better pick this up. Missy is just coming into the room. Hello, Poppet. Okay, and I miss you so much. On that note, Gems, I will say, Gems, thank you for joining me. Comment, like, subscribe, all that jazz. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.